Okay, so we're at a friend's house, and here's the air conditioner. It's a Heil entry model. It's got a Copeland Scroll compressor. And it's from 2008. Serial number is E080819183. And the model number is N2A33OG KB200. So it is a 2.5 ton. Ooh, it's cold out. Jeez, it's about 31 degree, my car said. Yeah. Probably a bit undersized for the house, I'd say. But, yeah, 2008 Heil. Hold on. And that's the dryer duct. And it's a straight cool unit with a natural gas Heil 90% furnace, which I have a video of also. This replaced a... Well, I've seen this Heil before, but the last time I saw it, I wasn't interested in it. I was like 8 years old, and I'm 10 now, so I wasn't interested back then. But this replaced a 1990s Janitrol air conditioner, and that house over there has this same unit. It's original, but I can't get to it because it's behind a fence. But, yeah. Little Heil entry model 2.5 ton at a friend's house, and the furnace is a Heil 75,000 BTU 2-stage. Yeah, thanks for watching. Out.